This is my barn door that I need to cut a little bit at the bottom so I can place it on my door perfectly. So I'm using a rigid circular saw to cut it as it is easy and fast. So just make sure that you know where you're cutting, and you can put a line if you want to. And there's also a guide within the saw that you can use so you can do a straight line. So before you begin to cut, make sure that you lift the blade guard. So that's what it is. That's the blade guard I'm lifting right now. And then you can start the saw as soon as you're ready. Make sure that your space is stable. Make sure that you are working on a stable area because the tool is fast. So this is how you turn it on. It's just that one switch that I'm showing you right now. That's how you turn it on. So again, lift the blade guard before you start. Line it up with what you're cutting. And then all you need to do is just push the switch and it starts up. So with the blade, there is an adjustment for the cutting, like the thickness of the cutting. So right now I'm cutting it an area at a time, but then I realized I was not able to set it up where it cuts like the 3 inches of the thickness of my barn door. So there is an adjustment to do that. Make sure you adjust that, and then you can also start with a plunge cut where you start in the middle, which is what I did, or you can actually just start in the middle and then go towards the line up to the end. So I have now adjusted the blade thickness. So I'm starting the cut from the starting line, and then move towards the end without stopping. So I just finished the cut that I wanted. Here's the finished cut. That's just showing you how it looks after cutting that using the circular saw. So now I have my barn door installed perfectly as it now glides.